Welcome back to Exclusive Afro-Indian Cooking. So as you had seen my last shorts video, I had said that I'm going to make Keema Biryani. So today we are going to make Keema Biryani. For that we need about 250 gram of minced chicken, peas, green peas 100 gram. This is 3 tomatoes, large, grinded. We have 3 onions. I'm going to show you how to cut. This is about 1 glass of basmati rice, garlic paste, and these are some cloves and cardamom and cinnamon, okay, bay leaf that we are going to use, and this is ghee. Okay, I've boiled the rice and it's ready. It's like half cooked. Okay, so 90% of it is already cooked, and we have some coriander for garnishing. Okay, let's cook. So now I'm going to show you the onions, how we're going to cut. Okay, just cut in the middle, because this one onion we're going to fry it and garnish it in the last. Okay, so this is how we're going to cut. Going to slice it this way. Just slice the whole onion. Okay, so now we're going to fry these onions. Okay, we're going to make it golden brown. The oil was already hot. Okay, so this is a very simple keema chicken biryani that you can have. This last week I made and it was really tasty, and that's the reason I'm making this video, so that you people can also make and enjoy the keema biryani. Okay, so let it cook for about 5 minutes until it turns golden brown. So now we're going to cut the onions for the gravy. Okay, just the same way we're going to cut, okay, these 2 onions, okay, and keep it aside. Okay, so as you can see, it's been about 5 minutes now. The onions are ready. Let's remove them. Put it on a paper or a tissue paper. You can use anything. Okay, because this is, we're going to use it for garnishing. Okay, so I'm going to take this oil, the one we used for onion. It's about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Okay, 1. So this is going to be like 6 tablespoons. And now we're going to use the ghee. We're going to put that in. Okay, so let it heat. Once it's hot, the oil is hot, we're going to put the bay leaves and the onions. Okay, so now we're going to put the onions. So the oil is already hot. Put all the onions in and stir them well. Okay, stir it for about 2 minutes, and then we are going to put the spices. Okay, so if you want your onions to turn golden brown completely together, uniformly, so you can put half teaspoon of salt. Okay, so the onions will turn golden brown. So I've been cooking it for about 5 minutes now on high flame. Now we're going to put this cardamom, bay leaf, and cinnamon. Okay, keep stirring it for another 2 minutes. Okay, once it turns golden brown, we are going to put the minced chicken. Okay, so I'm going to put the garlic paste. Okay, stir a bit. And now let's put the minced chicken. Make sure you mix it well with the onion. Okay, cook it for about 7 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 7 minutes now. Okay, as you can see the chicken, how it's become. Now we're going to cook the peas. Okay, cook the peas for another 5 minutes, and then we are going to cook the tomato puree. It's been about 5 minutes. Okay, now we are going to put the tomato puree. Keep it on high flame for 2 minutes. Stir it well so that it can mix with the peas and the chicken. Okay, and then we are going to put the spices, powdered spices. Okay, cook it for about another 5 minutes. put the lid on, okay, and keep it on medium flame for about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I was cooking it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now we're going to put the spices. Okay, this is a mixed spice that I use. Has cardamom, all the spices. What do you call garam masala? Okay. Now I'm going to put some coriander powder. This is 1 tablespoon. There's more. This is cumin powder, about 1 teaspoon. This is red chili powder, which is not spicy, but it has color. We're going to put about 2 tablespoons or 3 teaspoons. Mix it really well. Okay. And cook it for about another 2 minutes. Just put the lid on for another 2 minutes. Okay, so I've cooked it for about 2 minutes now. Mixed it well. Now I'm going to put the salt. As you can see, I haven't put salt since I fried the onions. So we're going to put 1 tablespoon, no, 1 teaspoon, 1.5. Okay? You can use a bit more, but I don't like more salt. Mix it well, and we are going to keep this gravy, keema gravy aside. Okay? As you can see, our keema gravy is done. So now I'm going to use this ghee. Put it in this pan, the one we were cooking our keema. Okay? Let it melt, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, so the ghee has melted. Now I'm going to put half rice. Okay? Spread it this way. Okay? Spread it this way, and now we are going to put the keema. Just spread it nicely. If you have noticed, I haven't used yogurt, because most of the biryanis people use yogurt, but I haven't. So we're gonna put the whole keema inside this way. Okay. I've kept the flame completely on medium. Okay. Now we are going to put the rest of the rice this way. So this is our second last step, I can say. Okay, just put it properly. We're going to garnish it with our onions that we fried earlier. Okay, garnish it this way. Simple keema biryani and very tasty. And we're going to put some coriander, which you have seen in my shorts. Gives good flavor. Put the lid on and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and our keema chicken biryani is done. Okay, so our keema chicken biryani is done. Let's serve it. Okay, you have to do this way. Be careful. Okay, so this one's with some raita. Okay, and have that. I made it, so do enjoy having this, and let me know how you like it. How was the surprise? Thank you, because I'm going to eat now. Bye bye until we meet again.